it's very true. It's a true list. But the problem is that, what about people that looted this thing together? Some of them are in APC. Their name must be mentioned. I want to tell you, even from the councillor, from the ward level, there is no one in this country that will participate in this politics that his hands or her hands will clean. I'm telling you, there is no politician that is clean in this country. So this list, they are among, but it's only that they are playing politics. You know, election is coming. They will, you know, all these people, they are in opposition party. They want to crush these people for their own. But let the opposition accept it. Their own time is coming, that they will be in office. They will now prosecute or whatever they want to do with those who are in APC.
The latest list accepted as it has been written on the paper. But one thing the Nigerians want to know from this government is that, is the list cover all the looters within the circle of the government? Because we don't need to mention names. We see how people who are working with this present government that they are looters, like the people mentioned, on the paper. But what we are saying is that if they want to be sincere to the public, they should be able to come out fully, even those people who still belong to this government.
Those who are on the list, they should be probed and take all those looting. They should bring it to us. So if they should take the money, they use it to establish industries and other things, so that all the school leavers, university leavers, they'll be able to fully employ it.
It's not a good for democracy, because when the federal government release the list of the looter in other opposition, what of the people that in their government? Are they not the part of the people that loot Nigeria treasury? So what our Minister for Information should have do is that the people that came from other political party to them since before the election, because I think the list they release now is for more opposition, and there are some people in opposition before they join the present government, so they should have released all the list. And to me, I support the list that the PDP also released, that the people that is in this present government, they are one that loot the treasury of Nigeria before they came to the power. So that is it. So they should have not released that list, and that list is not helping Nigeria. This is not what Nigerians want now. We want good governance now, not the name of the looter. So the name of the looter is not doing anything for us. So let's leave that for the politician. So that is it.